My first time ever eating Yaro Ramen. This has way too much punch, I swear. Alright, my first ramen bowl of 2026 is Yaro Ramen, abusing my stomach right at the start of the new year. Here it is. Let's eat. Wow, that mountain of bean sprouts is incredible.
It's wonderfully crisp and tasty.
The chashu is also delicious. Tampoco super egg. And these incredibly thick chewy noodles, their satisfying texture is truly next level. Now for some garlic. Oh yes, cut.
Give it some serious punch.
I devoured it all in a flash. Thank you for the delicious meal. Kicking off the new year with a full belly. This year, I'll slurp lots of noodles again.